Good morning, students. So today we are going to do or understand what is project work. So let's see. It is basically an activity which aims to give the students some learning experience with the chance to synthesize their knowledge from different perspectives. So you might be doing in marketing, HR, or finance, or some other domain. So it will help you to understand and get more knowledge about the subject, and you will also get some important inferences at the end of the project work, which will also improve the knowledge base of the subject. And it is generally progressed, or it can actually be done under the guidance and monitoring of an advisor or a mentor. Activity which aims at giving students some learning experience with addition of more and more knowledge from different areas of learning. And next, we are going to discuss about the guidelines for preparing introduction project work. The number one is be short and crisp. So the introduction is the first paragraph that actually includes different probable contents that the project should contain. So to write the introduction, we should be writing in short and crisp. So what we actually want to say. So this is because the introduction of whatever project you are going to do, it will reveal the context in which you have made the project. So the first paragraph should actually include the background information, the problems you faced, the proposed solutions to the problems, and so on. You should also be clear in what you write. The introduction is the must kind of thing. You cannot avoid it. So you have to write a paragraph that must be written in the simplest manner but very attractive, so that readers can enjoy what you have written. So when you pen down, it should be very clear, and people should understand from reading your text that this is the problem and these are the possible situation, and this can be the solution. So if the first part will be complicated, so it will reduce the interest. So first part would be very simple, so that easily people can understand what is inside the project. Now, in the background information, you have to create some new ideas, and you could discuss some new ideas which can provide vital information regarding the context of the work. Like if you are doing in consumer behavior for electronic products, so you can actually mention how people from different perspectives, they have done different kind of research on electronic products, and many cases where different problems have came up and how those problems have erupted or taken place, and what were the solutions which they actually achieved from that particular background information. So you have to also explain the reasons in the introduction. So you will see there can be some reasons which can be offline, and people don't understand that. So you have to make people understand the reasons, the actual reasons that why that paragraph is there inside the project. So these reasons should be authentic, and it should be credible also, so that readers can love to actually read it. So you have to actually read what you have written. So that way you can understand whether the thing is right, or there should be some changes or modifications in the introductory paragraph. So it should cover, in general, the history of big companies which are in their in that particular market, marketing mix, the brand equity of the companies, the product mix, the price mix, promotion mix, generally different kind of promotional tools we have discussed. So those things what are being used inside the company or that market. Similarly, place mix should be also with their different locations where it is being sold or purchased. And then you can also have packaging mix, how different companies are packaging that particular product in different kind of plastic or maybe cardboard or other kind of packaging materials. Vacuum packaging can also be involved in case of food products, and some other marketing details of how it is sold and what kind of maybe commission or these things are involved. So basically a background of the company or the market, whichever you are discussing. It can also include diagrams, tables, graphs wherever necessary. And I am provided you some links for the introduction. You can go back and see. where some people have done some kind of report making, and you can see the introduction part and how they have actually done that. Thanks to all.